So the seat is now.
No, it's not my seat. That's what I'm trying to figure out why my no, it's like.
Oh, the muscles?
It's not
Oh,
my
well,
sit
that's
bone.
you're using muscles that you're not used to using.
My lower.
Yeah,
See, they're stretched out a little bit more. Yeah.
it's good though. I mean, that means you're doing something.
Come here.
And for shoulders.
Yeah, that's her right there.
Whole new set of muscles. Wait till you start swimming.
Yeah, then it's gonna be like
They're right in
boobs
there.
there.
Yeah,
That'd
yeah.
be great. I'll be fantastic at work.
When does that start?
February 21st. About a month.
Yeah. You know, I think I have done that before accidentally. When I grabbed my phone, pulling it out of my pocket, and I thought I'd hung up. I'm surprised to see you're still there. But see, you really confused me today when you sent me a text and then you called.
Well, because, see, and that irritates me because not you irritates
Yeah.
me. Because the text says that it doesn't go through. So that's why I called you, but apparently it does go through.
Sometimes.
So, late. It should work.
Okay, when I'm doing a text message,
Uh-huh.
I want to put in